Nature of roots of quadratic equations by finding the value of discriminant. Nature of roots of quadratic equation is determined by the value b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is called discriminant of a quadratic equation and is denoted by Greek letter delta. Nature of roots of quadratic equation. You know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root 0 upon 2a. Here in square root sign b square minus 4ac, as b square minus 4ac is 0, I have put 0 there, the value of b square minus 4ac. Therefore, x is equal to minus b upon 2a or x is equal to minus b upon 2a. The roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then x is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and x is equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Therefore, roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative number, then x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a are not real numbers. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Find the value of discriminant. First example, x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing this equation with x square plus bx plus c, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 1. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to 7 square minus 4 into a value is 1 into c value is minus 1. We get 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. Delta, that is b square minus 4ac value is 53. Now the next example, root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to root 2, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 2 root 2. We have to find the value of the discriminant means delta value, that is delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. We substitute b, a and c values in it. We get 4 square minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2. 4 square is 16 minus 16. When you solve 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2, we get 16 there. Therefore, 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Therefore, delta value is 0. That is b square minus 4ac is 0. Determine the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. First example, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 4. Delta, that is b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. That is delta b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore, the roots are real and equal. We know that if b square minus 4ac is 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Now the next example, 2y square minus 7y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 2. We have to find the value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Substituting these values of a, b, c, we get minus 7 square minus 4 into 2 into 2. Minus 7 square is 49 minus 16, and therefore the answer is 33. Delta, that is b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, means positive number. The roots of the equation are real and unequal. Now the next example, m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 9. We have to find the value of delta, that is b square minus 4ac. Substituting these values, we get 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 9, that is 4 minus 36, that is equal to minus 32. As minus 32 is negative, delta is less than 0, therefore the roots are not real. If value of discriminant, that is delta, is 0, then roots are real and equal. If value of discriminant, that is delta, means b square minus 4ac, is greater than 0, means positive number, then roots are real and unequal. If value of discriminant is less than 0, then roots are not real. I hope you understood all these points. Thank you.